Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 15-minute salsa workout. We will have one routine, 4 songs, and it will start from slow and get faster and faster as we go along. Alrighty guys, here we go. We are going to start with a cross. So get ready. Left foot going forward, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we go forward, forward, side, side, back, back, side. Do it again. Forward, side, back, side. One more time. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna do a basic step, and then we're gonna go for a back turn. Basic, turn. Keep this up. Very good. Okay, now we're gonna go into our taps 8. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Let's stay at a basic. And then the next step we're going to do is a cross. It's gonna go cross, side, cross, side, and then we're gonna go back, side, cross, side, and very good. Do it again, forward, and back. Okay, ready? 5, 6 from the beginning. Here we go. Forward, side, back, side. Get ready for the turn. A basic first. Go in for the turn. Do it again. And now the taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. And now cross. Go. And back. Very good, guys. All right, just a little bit faster. We are going to do that same routine again. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Forward. Side. Back. Side, and we're going to repeat this one more time. Here we go. Forward. Side. Back. Side. We're going to do a basic step and a back turn. Do it again. And one more time. Get ready for the taps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6. Do it again. We're going to do 2 more times. And now cross inside. Bring it back. Bring it forward. Bring it back. Get ready? From the beginning, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Get ready. Right away, basic, here we go. Turn. Do it again. Basic. And here we go with the taps. And now cross. Bring it back. And back to the beginning. Oops, sorry, side. Back. Side. And basic. Turn. Basic. Turn. Ready for the taps. Go. And cross. And back to the beginning. And basic with the turn. Taps. Very good. And cross. Bring it back. And back to the beginning. And back. To the side. And get ready. Basic. Get ready for the turn. And get ready for those taps. And cross. All right. Here we go. Song number 3, a little bit faster. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Forward. Side. Back. Side. And here we go. Forward and back. And turn. Forward and back. And turn. Get ready for the taps. Go. And cross. So. And back. And get ready, go from the beginning. Back. Basic, go. And back, turn. Very good. And taps. And cross. And bring it back. And go from the beginning. And here we go. Into the turn. Get ready. Taps. Very good. Bring it back. Forward. Side. Back. Side. Get ready. And turn. And taps. And cross. Whew. Keep it up. Bring it back. And beginning. And here we go. Keep it up, guys. I know. It's getting hard. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. Get ready from the beginning. We're almost there. Turn. Taps. Very good. Woo! Guys, I'm sweating. Here we go. Last song. Super fast. You can do it. Come on. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1. Side. Back. Side. Get ready. Basic. Turn. Keep those steps tight underneath your body. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Bring it back, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Ready? Here we go. And forward. Side. Back. Side. Here we go. Forward. Back. Turn. And again. Forward. Back. Turn. And taps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it nice and tight underneath your body. Very good. Bring it back. And go. Forward. Side. Back. Very good. Basic. Turn. Get ready. Forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross. Very good. Breathe through your nose. Come on. In through your nose. Out of your mouth. I know. My feet are cramping. My legs are cramping. And I'm sweating. Keep going. You can do it. Very good. Turn. Woo. I thought the music was stopping. 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo. We didn't get off that easy, guys. Keep it up. And basic. Turn. Sabroso. And done. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.